Today, Hey Duggee is going to be showing us the rescue helicopter today. Well, let me start off by showing you the opening and closing doors. As you can see, it says 05 Rescue. And I can go inside, and the other door opens too. Look, if I turn it around, there. This is a lever. This helps us take off, and this is our little backup plane. It's blue, and if there's a little problem, we can use it. We've got some buttons here. As you can see, it lights up. And this is for taking off. Up here is possibly the little propeller which broke. And this is how we get in. We're going to open up the thing, and we're going to go inside and we're going to fly. We're going to fly to the advent calendar, guys. Let's go. Let's turn on our thing. Oh, Duggee, you need to get in first. So we're going to put Duggee inside. Oops. Hopefully you can fit head first. There we go. Oops. Oh, let's just pretend he fits. Hey Duggee's going to make his way to the advent calendar. Let's go. Okay, Hey Duggee's arrived to the advent calendar. Now he needs to find which door is today. Today's the number 11. Can you see number 11, Hey Duggee? Right there. It's right below Santa Claus. Let's open it up and see what we have this time. Oh, it's another tinfoil wrapped chocolate. Let's see what we have this time. And it's another Santa Claus who is shushing.
Hello and welcome to Thailand. Today we are here at the seashell aquarium. See, the roof looks like a real seashell. Oh, it even feels like one. And the guy helping out is going to be taking us through it today. Inside here is sea creatures. Let's open it up. And look at all these. Ooh. I see some creatures. And look, it's a surfer. See? As you can see, there's little wheels. Woo! We saw surfers when we went to Scarborough last week. Oh, such a nice trip. We're going to go back there. Enjoy, so stay tuned. Let's see if he actually does it on the table. Woo! Whee! He also has his arms out and safety goggles, so he doesn't fall. He looks like he's wearing rollerblades. Whee! Oh, look! Do you see that, guys? That's right, there's an orca whale, or a killer whale. You can see its tail. It's black and white. Wait a minute, what's this? This is not a sea creature. This is a light up ice cream. It's supposed to light up the little shell. See, it's even a key ring. So you can, have a key on it. Okay, let's see how we turn it on. Oh, wow. See the lights shining on my wall? See greens, purples, reds. So cool. Let's shine it on the roof. All the lights are on, so you'll see. Let's see what it looks like when we put it back on. Oh, look, it seems like there's a light inside. It also can light up the little seashell. Let's turn it off so we don't waste any batteries. Now, that was a nice time at the aquarium. And it's time to say goodbye now. But before I say goodbye, did you see the mini balls and box hiding in the video? And if you didn't, you need to go back and have a look. And thank you for coming to Thailand. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye. Hello and welcome to Thailand. Today we are going to be going somewhere. We're going to have another Thailand adventure. It's been a long time since we had a Thailand adventure. I think the last time we went on a Thailand adventure was in August. And we went to Manchester, but we're not going there this time. We do not know where we're going, but we'll tell you when we get there. It's time to go. Mummy Pig brought her paper bag just in case we go somewhere like a shop, and Peppa Pig brought her favourite teddy toy, and George Pig has brought her his toy car. It's time to get in the car. Daddy Pig is the driver today. Mummy Pig will ride next to him. All toys and all items go in the back. We will be taking a train. It's a bit of a tight squeeze. There we go. Okay, it's time to go. We're just heading to the train station. As you can see, we're walking, and there's my boots, and I'm wearing my coat because it could rain, but there's blue skies. Alright, we're heading towards the train station. We don't want to miss the train, so that's why I'm running. We're gonna walk there, and there is the train station. Hooray! We've almost arrived. And there's a bus stop over there. There's a ticket cash. And this platform is for where I'm going to be going. And there's a map of where we live. There's Bramley Station. And there is the train tracks. Oh look, there's a train coming. Is it ours? Let's have a look. It's coming very slowly towards us. There's lights. Oh, it's really windy. Oh, it's not ours because it's on the wrong train track. Safety message. Do not ever walk at railway station. We're just waiting for our train. Here comes the train.
Getting down.
I'll end it when when it actually arrives. Here comes it. We have to turn the camera off because I'm not allowed to film. Here it is. It's just going. It's a nice view. Do you see the beautiful view? Oh look, that's where we live. This is where you eat, and this is where you put your food on. Look at them two big buildings. We're almost here. Oh, look at them hills. We might go there on our next field trip. And there's the other side. Oh, look at all them houses.
No, yours. Yours. Yeah, no, supposed to be first. Yeah, because you're the older child.
And there's the railway track right there. Here's our ticket. And we put it in the slot. Alright, let's go and do it. And then I'll get my ticket from out here. We finally arrived to the big city. And we're going to walk to our destination.
It.
Quickly, Darren. What? Look at that ride, guys. I might go on it. Look at them people. And there's a Ferris wheel, a carousel. Oh, look at that. Prizes. Look, there's a slushy ride. Look at that. Wow. Look at that, guys. Look at the boat. We're finally back home. Safe and sound in our nice cozy home. It's been a long journey. It's time to go to bed now. It's night time. And thank you for coming to Toyland. Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye.